Hello guys, we're back to another video of Catia V5, and in this video I will continue with assembly 2, and this is going to be part 2 of assembly 2, which is the cap. So let's get started. First of all, I will open up a new part, file new, go down, click on part. So now the name of the part is going to be cap, right? And we are going to design this particular face. So there are two ways of designing it. Either I design this on the front face. I'm going to start right away with this without thinking much. And I'm just going to use half of the profile to make this particular thing. And I see that there is a center which I can use as a origin if I need to. Yeah, that's exactly what I will do. Or no, I'm just going to start it from here. Go straight up on the left, go straight up again. hmm From the top, it should look something like that. Okay, makes sense. I'm just going to keep things a little bit simple here. All right. I don't want to overcomplicate everything. I'm just going to keep 39 and 39 from here. So from the middle till here is going to be 39. 39 right there. All right. And I'm going to move it here. So I'm going to be making from the center, let's say from center to center of these holes, so that I will be making the curvatures from the top view. So for now, I will be making this particular profile. So yeah, so starting from here, coming here and going right there, this particular thing. So let's see. So from there, I'm going to use the profile again, go straight. Then there is a curvature till here, something like this. Looks fine. And then I can just simply, there's also a curvature right here, 3-point arc. Okay, it starts somewhere here, here, and here. There we go. That makes sense. And, oh, low storage. My bad. There we go. Looks fine. Now I'm going to dimension it. It's going to be 56 from here till the middle. So half of 56 is 28. And the radius itself right here is going to be what? 24 or 48. Yeah, it's going to be 24. 24 in radius. That looks fine. And this dimension is going to be 48, as it says. Looks good. And the funny thing is, both of they are going to be aligned with respect to the center. So coincide. Oh, okay. Not coincide. Okay. Ah, interesting. Very interesting. Let's try to keep the length. Okay, they say 8 sides are maximized. We don't need that. 39 already dimensioned. Okay, let's see what else can be dimensioned. It says 8. Okay, so basically, hmm, very interesting. hmm So can I just coincide them? Yeah, I can coincide this one. What about this one? Is it possible for me to coincide this? Coincide with vertical? It showed me an error. That's why I was trying to just figure out if that's possible somehow. No, it shows over dimensioned or over defined. Radius 24, 48 radius. I'm assuming the outside is 48 radius and the inside here is 24. It's just matter of fact. Okay, This is going to be 12, and this thickness is going to be 16. There we go. Perfect. Looks good. Ooh, all right. Very funny thing. Alrighty, alrighty. So this, with respect to this, is going to be 8, and yeah, I mean, it looks fine. So I don't know, it might be just like some extra dimension that they might have given us that I was trying to stress over, but it's really not that big of a deal anyways. I just make a straight axis, select half of the profile, use the mirror command, mirror it. Okay, now I see. Okay, something is off. So the radius is supposed to be 48 and it's supposed to be starting right there. It's not going to be here. Okay, now I see. Now if I make a 3-point arc, now what result will I get? There you go. Okay, we have this point here and we are going to coincide with that. There we go. Looks perfect. Looks good. Exit out. I'm going to pad it and I'm going to use mirror extent and I'm going to pad it till 46, no, 23, half of it, right? So now we basically got the base of the entire thing. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make the bunny ears right here. I'm going to project these two lines right here. Click OK. And two ways of doing it. I can either make a semicircle or a 3-point arc, as is known. 3 right here. Perfect. And then I just give it dimension 254. And okay, from the middle it's going to be 54. So the point here is supposed to be aligned right here, right in the origin. Oh, there's an error. Okay, that's weird. That's very weird. Anyways, oh, I see. That makes sense though. 54. Oh, I see. It should be horizontally coincidental. And vertically as well then? Yep, 54. 54 should be the radius. Yeah, sometimes I just get carried away by the things. I'm just going to project these two surfaces as well. Alright, that way I have something to work with. I'm just going to click on this, trim till here, double click on it, or using it again and again. There we go, and there we go, right? I'm going to use break, these two, yeah. Basically, there are two ways of doing the same thing now. Either I could pad it, that is one way, and follow it through the same way I should have done, or I simply project, I should have projected this line and trimmed off this extra material right here. I don't need this, right? And I can mirror this entire profile, whichever way you like. I mean, it's not that big of a concern. I'm just trying to show you some way to get things done, right? I exit out, I pad it, Okay, I'm going to use reverse direction, and it's going to be up to a plane, and this is going to be the plane itself. I'm going to click OK. That's how it's going to look like. So from here, I need to make sure that I get rid of these particular surfaces. Okay, okay. So now the important things, right? We will be making the holes all together, like the small hole in the middle and then the two holes on the sides, because they are going to be through. So this one goes at 12 diameter at two places, and the location is 39 from the middle, right? 39. I'm just going to mirror this right here with respect to the middle. Going to dimension the middle hole as well. This is going to be 6. The small one is going to be 6, so that one is through hole. So these are going through all. So I can do up to last, no problem about it, right? Click OK. Oh, oopsie, my bad. Okay. Yeah, I mean I can do dimension and mirror extent and up to last, both sides. Yeah, that makes sense. This one looks good. I'm just going to save it quickly. Cap, that's fine. So now I have to make the other one, but before that, what I will do is I can just get rid of the entire profile, right? Because this bunny ear shape needs to be there. So I project this side and I make a semicircle kind of thing. 1 point here, 1 point here, and one here. Right here, I dimension it. The radius is going to be, oh, oopsie. The radius is going to be what? So radius is going to be 17. There we go. And this is going to be coinciding right here. And from the middle, from this point till this point, it's going to be 39 again. There we go. Perfect. And I'm going to trim these extra lines on the side. And I'm going to mirror it with respect to the middle right here. Alright. And I'm going to pocket it. And it's just one side. So the reverse direction, just one side need to be trimmed off. That's good. And also the plane that I was making. So what I can do is I can offset a plane. Alright. You can offset a plane, offset a plane. Plane is going to be somewhere there. There we go. We have it. And we are going to offset the plane somewhere. Okay. Normal to tangent to surface. This is fine. Point, point. There needs to be a point as well. It could be any point. Not a big deal though. Okay, point. First of all, point. Let's make a point anywhere on the surface. Okay. Distance 0. We have something, right? So I'm just going to use plane, tangent on this point. We just need some plane to make this thing work. So it's not that big of a deal that where are we more concerned about where to make the hole, right? I'm just going to project this, the smaller surface, in case of having a reference construction element, and we will make a circle right here. And there we go. It's going to be 8, and that is going to have a distance of 16 to go. Pocket of 16. Oh, reverse. Oh, my bad. Reverse direction. Not up to last dimension 16. Oh, my bad. Okay, let's see the selections there. Exit out, pocket, dimension. Oh, not this. Dimension, right? Reverse direction. Looks good. And the distance to go is 16. There we go. Looks good. Looks perfect. Looks really good though. So these are done, right? So that's pretty much it for the cap part. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and we will be continuing with the upcoming part that is going to be the brass nut, lock nut, and bolt. So all of these simultaneously, or let's see one by one if possible. So thank you so much for watching and take it easy. Bye.